In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gumloop to an n8n workflow. We'll guide you through scraping ad data and automating your analysis seamlessly. Whether you're an experienced developer or just getting started with automation, this process will simplify your workflow and save you time. Let's dive in. First, ensure you have both Gumloop and n8n installed and running on your machine. If you haven't set these up yet, head over to their respective websites for detailed installation guides. Having both applications ready is crucial for our upcoming steps. Once you've confirmed everything is ready, it's time to connect Gumloop to our n8n workflow. Open n8n and create a new workflow. You'll see an interface ready to customize your tasks. Under New Nodes, search for the Gumloop integration and drag it into your workflow. This will allow us to input the necessary credentials to link the two platforms together. Next, we need to configure the Gumloop node with your API keys. Open your Gumloop account and navigate to the Settings panel where you'll find your API credentials. Copy these details carefully. They're what n8n needs to communicate effectively with Gumloop. Paste these credentials into the corresponding fields in the n8n Gumloop node. Double check that everything is entered correctly to establish a secure connection. With our connection established, we're ready to move on. Now, our task is to scrape ad data using this connection. Redirect your focus back to the n8n interface. Add your second node, which will serve as a scraper for ad data. Within n8n, you have several methods to effectively retrieve data from specified sources. One common practice is to integrate an HTTP request node, which lets you fetch data from URLs you specify. In the node configuration, enter the URLs you want to scrape data from, which might be where your advertisements are posted. Make sure these URLs are accessible and contain the data you require. Configure any additional parameters as needed, depending on the specific requirements of the content you're accessing. With the data scraped, it's time to move on to automating the analysis process. For that, introduce an analysis node in n8n. This could be a custom script node or a pre-configured analysis tool, depending on what suits your needs best. The goal here is simple: automatically parse and interpret the data collected. In this node, specify how you want your data analyzed. Maybe you're looking to extract certain keywords, or perhaps you need statistical analysis done on ad performance metrics. Whatever your need, configure the node to ensure your dataset is accurately and efficiently processed. Finally, give your entire workflow a run-through. Test it to confirm everything is working smoothly together. Watch as Gumloop connects seamlessly to n8n, scrapes data, and outputs analyzed insights. And just like that, you've automated a significant portion of your data processing tasks. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made your automation journey a little easier. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Until next time.